The TikTok controversy. The chemtrails controversy is a conspiracy theory that posits that the trails left by airplanes in the sky are actually part of a secret government program to spray chemicals into the atmosphere for various purposes, such as controlling the weather or population control. Supporters of the theory often point to the fact that contrails, the condensation trails left behind by airplanes, can persist for hours and spread out to form a cloud-like appearance, which they believe is evidence of a deliberate spraying program. However, there is no scientific evidence to support the chemtrails theory, and the scientific consensus is that the trails left by airplanes are simply water vapor and other gases that are emitted by the engines and then condense at high altitudes where the air is cold and thin. Despite the lack of evidence, the chemtrails theory has persisted for many years and has gained a following among some people who distrust the government and are skeptical of mainstream science. The theory has been promoted by various websites, social media platforms, and even some politicians. To date, the controversy has not been fully resolved, and there are still people who believe in the chemtrails theory. However, many scientists and experts have spoken out against the theory and have pointed to the lack of evidence to support it. In addition, various government agencies and international organizations, such as NASA and the World Meteorological Organization, have issued statements debunking the chemtrails theory and emphasizing that the trails left by airplanes are a natural byproduct of air travel. In summary, while the chemtrails controversy has not been fully resolved, the scientific consensus is that the trails left by airplanes are simply a result of normal air travel and do not represent a deliberate effort to spray chemicals into the atmosphere.